I spent 20 years as a radio jockey, 8 years as a voiceover artist, and now for the last 3 years, I've been a voice coach. I've helped 200 plus clients one-on-one find the best version of their voice. And I'm going to tell you today about the 3 things that you need in your voice. All of them are constant. C for what these 3 C's are, I'll reveal as we go along. But watch till the end of the video because I have a 4th C coming up, which is a challenge for you. So let's get started with what are these 3 C's when it comes to voice. First one is confidence. Confidence, let's understand confidence to begin with. It's not some internal thing that you get it going and, I'm going to motivate myself to become confident. Confidence, science also tells us, is proof-based. When you do something, in the beginning, you will suck at it. You'll be terrible. You'll cringe when you watch yourself, but that's okay. That's part of the process because you'll suck, and then you'll suck less. So, when you put in the reps, when you do the things that you say you do, the confidence is going to start getting built. So, it's in the preparation, in the repetitions that you are going to get confidence. However, that's only one part of the puzzle. To be confident, you're going to need the second C to work in harmony, hand in hand, so that you become more confident when you speak in your voice. And that second C is conviction. What is your conviction like? When you speak, does your audience believe that you are speaking from the heart? You mean every word you say. That conviction, when you start to find in your tonality, in your voice, will automatically start giving you confidence as well. Conviction ke liye, sach bolo, be truthful. Don't pretend to try and be someone else. Embrace yourself, embrace you. There is nobody in the world who's as good as being you than you. So accept your flaws, your eccentricities. Acceptance is the first step. When we accept, we say, hey, I can improve myself. So your competition is with yourself. Just become a better version of yourself. That conviction will come. Your actions will make you have conviction. Your actions will make you have confidence. But all of these will go to waste if we don't have the third C. The third C of voice. Like I said, all 3 will remain constant. A lot of C's that we're talking about today. Before we continue the video, I'm going to take 30 seconds to tell you about my voice strategy call. It starts with a diagnosis. I find out what are the leaks, what is your weak voice costing you, and I offer you various solutions. So book that call. The link is in the description. And the third C is, wait for it, clarity. Clarity in your voice is the most important to put this all together. If people cannot clearly understand you, they cannot hear you, if there is a comprehension problem, we've got to bring the third C together, which is your clarity of speech, articulation, your enunciation, your ability to be able to distinguish between the van, woman, VW. There's a lot to it, and that is why what I want you to do is subscribe to this channel, my channel, immediately, because this is the mission that I'm on to help you find the best version, the most powerful, the most amazing version of your voice. Confidence, conviction, clarity, the 3 C's that you want in your voice. The 4th is a diagnosis. A private strategy call where we hear what are the problems. What is it that is leaking in your voice? What is it costing you? Book it. It's a free call. My calendar is really tight, so do it right now. The link is in the description. I'll see you either on the free private strategy call or in the next video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who also needs clarity, conviction, and confidence. All 3 are required in equal measure. With love and respect to your voice, keep rocking.